and he picked up a car 30 in the morning of 21 that he was being followed. So with that kind of actuation from him, our troops answered back. That led to his death eventually when he was brought to the hospital.
Major trafficking route. The information obtained about him is a major drug smuggler broker specialized in China on January 7. And no record can...
Sir, may we know details so on the shootout?
Once again, commend the Philippine National Police, especially under Director General Sarmiento and all the operatives of the NARCOM, the NCRC, the Maritime Command, RECOM 1, that a Hong Kong-based drug syndicate called the Hong Kong Triad would ship a large shipment of shabu to the Philippines in January of this year. The neutralization of this group and the seizure of this large amount of shabu dealt a serious blow to the Hong Kong-Manila connection. This sterling achievement has contributed immensely to our serious efforts to curb the drug menace, which is undermining not only Philippine society, but the global community as well.
Natro na isang tama ng kotse.
Mang Bert.
Two types of poison will be mixed with the water and the drugs. We have the Simbos 5C and the cyanide. And just in case anyone here does believe and take of the poison, we can challenge anyone to come forward and test the cyanide.